Let's take a look at your MT1 LT6 assignment, problem number 8. We want to solve this system of equations, and you've done graphing, but these are kind of ugly numbers to graph. They're kind of big. They make it graphing by hand kind of hard. We can use substitution or elimination. I like elimination on this one because notice they're nice in columns. And I think I'm going to eliminate the letter R. You could do Q. In fact, I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to get rid of the Q because it makes it easier. I want to make the Q coefficients opposites. So I'm going to leave the first equation alone, but if I multiply the second equation, it kind of looks like you were on the right track here, by -2, then the Q's would be opposite coefficients. So if I take 4 times -2, I get -8Q. -2 times 2 is -4R. -2 times 56 would be, what is that, -112. I multiply every single term by 2. Now the first equation, I think I'm just going to leave alone because I don't have to change anything there. So I'm going to get 8Q minus 15R equals -40. Now let's add these together. Notice my Q's reduce. 8Q minus 8Q is 0. -15R minus 4R is -19R. -40 minus 112 is -152. At this point, we'll solve for R, so we'll divide both sides by -19. So if we take 152 divided by 19, I think I'll use a calculator for that. We get 8. So in this problem, R equals 8 because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Now, I'm going to go back to one of my other equations. It could be any one of the 3 equations I have here. I think I'm going to use my initial equation, 4Q plus 2R equals 56. Well, now I know R is 8, so I have 4Q plus 2 times 8 equals 56. Well, then 2 times 8 is 16. At this point, let's subtract 16 from both sides. And we're left with 4Q equals 40. So Q equals 10 because you divide both sides by 4. So we get R equals 8, Q equals 10. You could write that as an ordered pair if you wanted to, I guess. R and Q. 8, 10. And that's all we have to do for a problem like that. That's what you're going to do in most of the other problems. I tend to like elimination, especially with the variables are in columns. You could use substitution also.